everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to program cart pages total price calculation process. So let's go to our cart page. As you can see, we have 1, 2 and 3 items in our cart page. So we have the prices 425,000, 575,000 and 575,000 again. So our total will be the addition of the number of items which we have in our. So we have 3 items already, so we have the total added here, so we are getting the total there, and then we have shipping costs separately, so that will be another 499,349 and 299. So we are going to add all these 3 and we are getting a shipping fee right here. So then our total is calculated by adding either these 2 values or the total of these 3 values. So basically this and this. So we have 3 items here at the moment. I'm going to go back to our home page and I'm going to add another item to our cart. So in our cart we have iPhone 13. So let's add this item next. So okay, we have added this item to our cart now, and it says product added successfully. And so now we have 4 items in our cart. So now it will display the number of items as 4 here. We have our new total, our new shipping fee here, and that is it on how the calculation process works on the user interface. So this is done. This is it for the calculation process. Let's move on to the part of our code where we discuss how we get this process to work and how we have programmed it. So here we are in our cart.php document. So here we have introduced a few database search queries. So here we have our cart data. So earlier we had introduced a database search query, select all from cart where the user email is equal to the email, and from that we have taken for if the product number is equal to x equals 0, if the number of items in the cart is less than that value x, then we are going to take the data in the cart data. So basically we are taking all the data associated with that value in our database, and then we are going to open another database search query, select all from product where id is equal to cart data product id, and that we named as product result search, and we have taken the fetched the data from that result search and name it as product data. So that's the other variable, and then here we have taken our total. So here the total here which we have here is going to be the total plus the product data into the cart data quantity. So as you can see, we saw the item numbers as 3, so that is that, and here we have taken a address result search. So in our database we are selecting all from the district ID as a DID, from the user as address table, the city ID, and we are taking that as well. Then we are inner joining district on the city district ID to the district.id where the user email is equal to email, and we have taken fetched those results as well, and we kept the ship as 0. So that is that. And here if the address data is equal to DID is equal to 4, so then the shipping the product data is going to be delivery fee Colombo. Then we are going to have the shipping here, the total shipping fee as shipping plus ship. So ship is going to be the value which we get. So if it's not 4, if the district ID is not 4, that is basically Colombo. If it's not Colombo, then it's going to say ship, and all the product data will be taken from here. So here the delivery fee will be taken, as delivery fee other, so that's basically outstation outside of Colombo. Then we have the shipping as shipping plus ship, and we're going to have that calculation there again. And here we have a result search for the seller's data and his name. So moving down, we are going to move on to the calculation part of our process. As you can see, the call to a call large screen, so that's basically the right part of our screen, which we saw. And here we are going to have a summary, and we are going to have the number of items and echo the number of items in our cart. So it's going to say items, and then we saw it within brackets either 3 or 4, and then we are going to show our total here. As we mentioned our total before, here is going to be the total plus the product data, the price into the cart data quantity. So moving down, we have our shipping value here, and we're going to take our shipping costs, and then we are going to have a finally we are going to have a total and a grand total, which is going to be the shipping plus the total. We are going to have those values added, and that's what we get. And we have finally our checkout button. So that's how we work out on a calculation process on how to get a cart total. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.